Shruti from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is a pick a card reading for what is the message from the universe and your spirit guides for you. I know this was one of the heavily requested readings on my Instagram, Magic Vents Tarot friends, and I'm sorry it took me some time to do this reading. But here it is finally. I hope you will all enjoy it and do let me know if it resonated with you or not. So, before we begin, angels, these are timeless readings. Whenever you come across them, they will help you or resonate with you in some way. Also, friends, these are general readings, so they may resonate with you or they may not. So, take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest behind, friends. Please do likes and subscribe, friends, our channel, and do click the bell icon to stay connected as the readings are uploaded. And also join us on Instagram and Facebook, friends. The links are in the description box below. I also wanted to say a big thank you for all who ordered the readings with me. I truly appreciate the love and support you have given to me. I'm working on the readings and will be sending them out in a day or two. So your patience is really appreciated, and your faith in me is appreciated, friends. So let us begin. Take a deep breath, friends. Relax. Take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Option 1, option 2, option 3. I leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends, so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. If not, you can watch the entire video, friends. So let us see what is the message from the universe, and this may apply to next 2 to 3 months or more a period of 6 months. Take it whichever way it is. It could be that this message is for you for right now. These are general readings, and as angels and divine wills it. Let us see for those who chose option number 1, what is the message from the universe and your spirit guides, friends. Let us see. Let us see, friends. Oh my God, the universe is wanting to tell you that this is a time. This is a time when you are going through emotional confusions. You had been through some major emotional confusions, friends. I feel that you had gone through a whole emotional upturning, or you had been tumbled up and down in emotional upswings and low vibes. I feel that you had gone through, in the last 2 to 3 months, you had gone through a whole lot of emotional purging, and it's like a machine wash. You had been churned into emotional things, and but now the universe is saying you are coming out of those emotions. The weight that you had carried on your shoulders, the weight of emotions, the weight of challenges, the weight of negativity or struggles that you had carried from so long, will now be released and lifted off your shoulders. I feel that the next 2 to 3 months or the next 6 months will bring you some sort of enlightenment, and I feel the universe and your spirit guides are trying to send you some sort of enlightenment, some sort of awakening. They are trying to lift your worries away. So, your spirit guides and universe wants you to let go of the things that you are holding too strongly. It is time to let go. It's time to open your hands, or your worries and your pains or challenges or fears or emotions, excess emotions or anger. Just release it. Just release it. Angels are trying, and the universe is trying to send you this, tell you this, that release the heavy weight, because they are really helping you out at the moment, and they are trying to bring in some new energy into your life. It is like this big wave of positivity is coming into your life, and you have to dive along this wave. You might feel scared of this diving into unknown waters, but angels and the universe wants to say it's gonna be all right. Just dive into it. New clarity, new divine signs, new sort of dreams are coming your way. You might be dreaming more. Your spirit guides are connecting with you through your dreams. You might be sleeping at odd times. I feel this is also a sign that your guides and universe wants to connect with you and give you an important message. Divine synchronicity is also at work in your life, so watch out for that, friends. What else is there? Yes, I feel that some of you are wanting to shift or move into a new area of life. You may actually want to change your job, you may want to change your job, change your house, change your partnership in some way. You want change in your life, and that change is coming, my friends. The change that you desire is coming for you, and I feel you are literally between two worlds. You are literally between two worlds where you are here with the past energy, and the new is coming, and you are gonna collide into and like seamlessly and effortlessly move into the new. That is how I feel like this. You can see you are effortlessly moving into this new path, and you are letting go of the old worries. So the universe and your spirit guides want you to know that journeys, trips, travel, new houses, new jobs, new partnerships are coming your way. If all of this is not coming your way, then a new sort of a perception is coming your way, a new way of living your life is coming your way. More color, more vibrancy, more happiness, and a more lighter energy is coming into your life. Congratulations, because I feel that you had been through some heavy, heavy, heavy lifting in life or recently. So this change is a very, very welcome change for you. You are moving into, some of you might be into going into cross country travels, or cross they might be moving overseas, or someone from overseas is coming for you. And I feel that if your partner is living away from you, some sort of very steamy action is coming your way, my friends. And someone might be moving, actually shifting closer to you, or you are shifting closer to them, my friends. So amazing energy. Let us see what else is there. Archangel Ariel is here. So yes, uh, relationships are coming your way. Your passion will be very, very high. The universe is sending you this energy to shift this emotional energy into the energy of dynamism, energy of passion, action, commitments. I feel this has to do with a new partnership also. A new partnership, a new commitment is coming your way. And if you are not open to this, the universe and your guides want you to be open to new partnerships, new people, new places, new ideas, because this energy of heavy lifting is over for you. It's time to be in this beautiful, acceptive, and receptive phase where you can just receive every blessing that's coming your way, and it sure is on its way. That is what the angels want to tell you. Let us see what else is the message from the mermaids and guides, friends. Yes, positive energy. Surround yourself with positive people and situations, and avoid negativity. Angels and the universe wants you to know that your days of heavy lifting, your crying, your tears, all those and challenges and being stuck in life, those days are over for you. And positive boost of positive waves of positive energy. Waves of positive energy. I see you like a dolphin jumping across these waves. Happy waves of love and success coming your way. That is what the universe is sending you. Major dose of positive energy, positive people, positive work, positive partnerships. Even your current partnerships might get uplifted, and your current job can get uplifted into a more positive frame, and also a more positive frame of mind. So most definitely this has to do with partnerships, or whether you are married, coupled, single, whatever, twin flame partnerships. Positive energy is coming, rest assured. Empowerment. You are more powerful than you realize. It is safe for you to be powerful. That is what the angels are trying to say. You are being a little shy in going forth with the new changes. You are a little shy of making this taking this journey that you have to take, or is coming your way, this new job, this new relationship, this renewed love, this twin flame connection. Or you are scared of letting go of the past fears or something of the past, but angels are saying open your heart, say yes, because you are safe, and it is safe for you to be powerful. It is a very, very strong message, friends. I cannot tell you how strong this message is for some of you, because if you had struggled with feeling supported by the universe, it's that support is coming for you. If you felt you were not strong enough, rest assured, the universe and your guides are saying you are strong and you will be more stronger ahead. You can see supportive people are coming, supportive paths are opening for you, new doors are opening, your wings are spreading. Take action, even if it is a little step, like I will be more positive today. Take that action, because success, abundance, happiness and trips are coming for you, folks. You are moving from heavy duty, heavy challenges to an absolutely positive and empowered situations ahead. And you deserve it, friends. I can assure you, you deserve it. So go for it. Don't settle. Go for the new things. Go for that journey. Go for that new job. Go for the new partnership or renewed connection. That go of the baggage. If there are some health goals you want to achieve, go for it. If there's some new hobby you want to pursue, go for it, friends. This is the message from the universe. You will be successful because you already are successful. You are already very, very strong and in a very uh, dynamic and powerful position. So that's it for those who chose option number one. If you enjoyed this reading, please do let me know in the comment section below, friends. And to buy a personal reading, please check the links in the description box below. For those who chose option number two, what is the message from the universe? Let us see. Alrighty, folks, alrighty. Oh my God, oh my God. I felt a very strange energy, and no wonder I felt a strange energy from this pile. So I feel that big changes are brewing into your life. If not, you are already been through an ending or a new beginning in your life. I feel that the universe and your spirit guides want to assure you that something is coming to an end and a new start will be happening for you. Some shakeups are coming in your life, and some sort of like sometimes it happens like you have to sieve things through and shake things up so that the new things can break out. It's like breaking of the chicken hatches when the eggshells are broken. Something like that is happening in your life, and or is already happening or will happen ahead for you, or had recently happened in the past for you. But angels and the universe and spirit guides want to assure you that this will lead to a new beginning, a new birth, a new renewal in your life. The old and heavy energies will be cleared, success and luck will be yours, and definitely this cleanup or this shakeup that is happening in your life will put you where you exactly need to be. It's a very, very massive energy that is coming your way, friends. And some of you might really be scared, like, your job's not going well. Suddenly the job is ended, and you are like, I don't know where I need to go now. I'm completely lost. And suddenly, boom, this new job comes in for you just because the old job had been, lost and taken away from you. So if anything is taken away from you, or if anything is not going the way you want right now, angels and the universe and your spirit guides want to assure you that things are going to get amazingly better for you. The sun is about to shine for you, your luck is about to change for you. See, this is number 10, 1. This is number 1. My God. Friends, you are in for some major, major, powerful breakthroughs. Please do let me know how things go. Oh my God, this is the strength card. Folks, what are you up to? Big, big changes are coming. It's like your whole life is about to change. If you are single, you are about to get married. If you were not working for like a decade also, you can expect work to come your way now. If you were poor from like ages, or like money was big issue for you, expect money coming your way. It's a big energy. If something is clearing from your life, like ages of karma and ages of something like, if this, it could also be a twin flame partnership. If your connection was really, you were lost in touch, they were with the karmic, or you are with the karmic, you can expect the karmic situations to heal now, and your love and connection to be renewed. If you are single, you are about to meet this new partner that will be your life partner for life. If you are coupled, suddenly your partner may have an argument and they may leave you, and like they may return back with the thought that you are the one for them, and like you get married suddenly. Anything that's going right now in your life, that's not, you feel that is not good, or is shaking up your life, rest assured it is bringing you new seeds of happiness, new success, new joy, new cup of love, and new celebrations are coming your way. I feel for some of you are expecting childbirth or expect a childbirth ahead, and I feel that I don't know why I keep getting the name Luna. So maybe some of you want to name their child Luna, or already have a child named Luna, or have a brother or sibling, brother or sister named Luna or something. That's keep coming into my mind. And yes, I feel you are moving into very, very fertile and creative times. The universe wants to assure you that luck will be with you, your success will be with you, what you desire will be with you, and you have nothing to worry. You have the, this is like, this is the storm is coming, and you have the strength to face it, and you are not scared of it, and then your reward will come to you. So do not be scared of any changes that are currently happening in your life. The universe wants to say you are mighty, you are strong, believe in yourself, believe in the angels around you, believe in the people that you have, believe in your heart, and believe that everything that is shaking up is just like, you, even in the fields when we plant the seeds, you need to turn the soil so that it can lead to better growth of the seeds. That is what is happening currently in your life. Big path breaking, soul clearing, karmic clearing are happening in your life. Destined events are happening, destined transformations are happening. Eventually it will lead you to huge success, friends, huge success. Do let me know in the comments, man, what are you up to, folks? I really want to know what you folks are up to, because this pile is big, friends. What else is the message from the angels? Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. If you feel something big is coming in your life, angels and the universe and your spirit guides say, yes, it's coming. You are right. What you feel is going to be there for you. If you feel some person that you have recently met will be your life partner, yes, it will be. You are right. If you felt that your job is about to be taken over and something better will be coming, yes. If you feel that you have this far-fetched idea that's not gonna work for you, and you still have that desire to try it, angels say go ahead and try it. That's what they want to know. Anything your intuition, whatever is saying, is correct, and it's heaven sent for you. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. You are worthy. Angels are saying you do not deserve to be in this, lurking in this energy of negativity or hardships, struggles, conflicts, challenges. So that is why things are turning, because you are worthy of some extremely good luck and good things in your life. You have worked, my friends, you have worked very hard, and a bounty of success is coming, and know you deserve it. Something is coming your way. The universe and spirit guides want to tell you this thing, that something big is coming your way, and you might say no to it because you feel it's not worth it, or you are not worthy of it. Say yes. Say yes. If the partner, especially if a partnership is coming which is too good to be true, or like you are like, oh, how can I have this partnership? Please, friends, say yes, because it's heaven sent for you. It might also be like some of you get an acting offer or a job, or that was completely unexpected. Please say yes, because it is sent by the angels. Please say yes, friends. Please say yes to the intuition, to the blessings coming your way. You see how happy she looks and satisfied, and she has this accomplished look on her face. Please, friends, do let me know and do say yes to the amazing blessings that are coming your way. I hope this message is you enjoyed this reading, and do let me know if it resonated with you, and also let me know what big changes are happening in your life and what major blessings are coming your way. If you want to buy a personal reading, please check the links in the description box below, friends. For those who chose pile number 3, let us see what is the message from the universe and the spirit guides. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so the universe is trying to help you heal your heart. I feel you had been through a lot of issues in the past. I feel you are recently or are going through a heartbreak, or you are trying to end a phase in your life. It could be a partnership, or someone might have left you, or some things are coming to an end, or you have some sort of a rift or conflict with some person, and this is causing you heartache and pain. I feel this basically doesn't have to do only with partnerships, but some sort of endings are coming in your life, and you know that some things are shifting in your life and they are ending. It could be like you need to end a job that you really really loved and had worked for decades, but now it's time to move on. Like retirement is coming and you are moving into your next phase of life, or you are starting into a new career, but you love your old job. So some sort of energy of heartache is there, and there is pain. For some of you, you are ending a partnership, or your partner is ending a partnership, and you feel sorry that things didn't go the way they should have. But what is the universe trying to tell you? That you are the magician and the mirror. For some of you, this has to do with a twin flame connection or a very, very deep soul connection with someone. Yes, things will be healing, and your heart will be healed. It will be made one again. In fact, they are working, the universe and spirit guides are working on both of you to help you heal this partnership or connection. If not now, in future, you guys may reconnect and be whole again together. You know what I mean? So, yes, the universe is working to heal your heartache. They are working to ease your pain. They are working to give you the new beginnings that you desire. They are working, and they want you to know, the universe wants you to know that you are a magician and you can transform your pain into happiness. And it has already been transformed into happiness. It is destined that you will be happy. There is no doubt about it. That is the universe wants to assure you now. And yes, if you feel that you had been single or for a very, very long time, no love has been coming, no new lover is there, there's no hope left, angels say, yes, the love that you desire is on its way. It's angel number 44, friends. I mean, I just have, I'm speechless at the moment, and the goosebumps and the energy in this room, friends. I cannot stress it any further. If you feel, dejected that your love life is not going any places at the moment, the universe will surprise you with a very, very beautiful and loving connection, and your partnership or a renewed love. So a major heart opening is happening for you. Do not stay in this energy of heartbroken energy. Move into this energy where you anything can happen in your life, and the best things will happen for you, because best things are coming for you and the universe wants to offer you. They are trying to bring something very, very precious into your life. Either it is a love relationship, either it is a soul friend, either it is a lifelong partnership, either it could be a marriage. Either it is a work or a job or something that you really love and will heal your heart and make you feel satisfied, happy, and whole again. And yes, blossoming abundance is coming your way. There is something is being healed in your heart and life. Actually, something is being replaced, something is ending, and you might be sorry for it, but something will be healed and made whole again. It could be you, it could be your partnership, it could be your job, it could be your finances. Most probably, friends, this is all the universe is trying to work for you on your behalf, and this is your reward for being a beautiful person and taking the work and doing your spiritual work, I feel. So yes, angels, angel number 44 will be very, very important for you. Watch out for it. Watch out whenever it comes for you, because that will be a sign, sure sign, that this is what you need to do, or this is the action step you need to take. New love is coming, renewed love is coming, a twin flame connection is coming, a high vibrational soul friend is coming. For others, a marriage partner is coming. For others, a job that will really make you very, very happy is coming your way, and money is coming your way. Happiness and families, beautiful abundance is coming your way. So let us see what else is the message from the angels, from the mermaids, friends. Let's see that. Yes, let yourself receive. Allow others to give you loving care and receive without guilt or apologies. I feel that in the past you had been giving so much to others that you have literally forgotten how it feels to receive from others. Not just from others, even like receive from the universe. You had been, in this for decades. You had been working, giving to the world, giving to the universe, giving to your partnerships, working on your spiritual path. But you may have felt like, where is the universe? Where's my reward? Where's my payback? Where's my, uh, you know, you might have entirely forgotten how it feels to receive and has someone have your back, someone watching your back. So the universe is watching your back now, and you have nothing to worry about. Loving connections are coming your way, new partnerships are coming your way. I feel some of you are going to attract a partner who will be very nurturing and giving to you, and you need to say yes to them because you deserve it, friends. You deserve this amazing partnership. This partnership may not feel right to you, or you might feel hesitant, but you need to say yes. Also, I feel that if some of you are retiring or moving into new jobs which are more easy, or if you are changing from a hectic schedule of routine work routine to a more balanced flexible routine, angels say yes, go for it, because you need this rest and relaxation. Your body, mind, and your spiritual uh, you know soul needs this rest and relaxation. So anything you do to enhance your life, those things are beneficial for you. Some of you need to take more rest, some of you need to sleep more. I feel that you had been crying all night, being anxious. Anxiety might be an issue, waiting for that person to call or message you. Angels say rest, my dear friends, get some sleep, because the messages are eventually coming for you. There's no doubt about it. Even it's not just a message, it's like the whole package is coming for you, friends. Bonanzas are coming for you. So you have been working hard, take a nap, get some rest, allow others to give you loving care, and receive without guilt and apologies. My dear friends, I want to give you a big hug because you definitely deserve it, and I know you have worked for decades. So please do let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you, and if you enjoyed this reading. If you want to buy a personal reading, please do check the links in the description box below, friends. Please do like and subscribe us, and also connect with us on Instagram and Facebook. I really love and appreciate the support you have given to me. Thank you so much, friends. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.